Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, PHARRAWAY. In this video guys, I'll be painting the trunk and the hood. I'm going to start painting the bottom of each one. So let's just get started. Right now what I did, I taped up where the folding of the metal is. That's where I taped it up. So all the bottom part is covered up. Reason being is that when I'm going to start painting the actual top, I'm going to cover up this section. I'm going to leave this exposed, just this line where the folding of the metal is. That way when I paint it, I just go to the bottom and catch that little lip area. So it'll be a lot easier. You won't even notice that there's a style line there because the folding of the metal, it's there. So it'll be good. That's what I'm going to be doing. First of all, I'm going to start adding the sealer and go from there. Let's get started. Alright guys, another thing, I bought a new hood. The reason being was the other one was good. The only thing, it had like about 5 layers of paint. That hood had been painted several times. I didn't want to scrape it down to bare metal, so I just went ahead and bought a new hood for my car. So this is a brand new hood. All I did is scuffed it down with a red Scotch-Brite and it's ready to go for the sealer. This one I also sanded down with red Scotch-Brite, and that's also ready to go. Okay, I applied 2 full wet coats of the base. There's no need for more. It's underneath the trunk and the hood, so 2 full wet coats is more than sufficient. So now I'm gonna wait 15 minutes so that I can start adding the Grand 7 clear, the Oh My clear. All right, so let's just wait 15 minutes and come back. All right, and there it is. This is after 2 coats of the base and 2 coats of the clear. I'm just gonna let it dry for about 2 or 3 days. Then I'll turn it over and continue on the other side. All right, so let's just fast forward to that day. All right, guys, now we're already back. It's been 3 days. Now what I did, I covered up the bottom, but like I said, I left the lip where the metal folds. That's what I'm gonna paint right now. So now everything's ready. Everything has been scuffed down. I scuffed it down with a red Scotch-Brite. So let me just start applying the sealer, the 2K sealer. I got the door handles. I got the gas cap. This one's already ready also. I did the same thing. I left the lip. That's what I'm gonna be painting also. All right, so this is another way to do it. I usually hang it up. You've seen me do it. I hang up the hood, hang up the trunk, and I paint both sides at the same time. But I'm showing you a different way that it can be done. And let's just get to it. 3 coats of the base have been applied. So now it's the Grand 7 clear, the Oh My clear. So let's just get to it. Let me start adding the first coat of clear.
Fatality.
Alright guys, and I added the 4th coat of clear. I didn't record it because I had ran out of battery, but there's a big error that occurred. There's a big fail, which I'm going to show you right now. It was my fault. I did not check the filters, so let me show you. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some fisheye that came out. Actually, a lot of fisheye that came out in the last coat of clear. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna sand it down and flow coat it. I'm probably gonna try to buff it, but I don't think it'll buff out. Maybe, maybe not. If not, I'll just flow coat it. The filters, let me show you the filter. The indicator that it has here is already pink, meaning that it's time to change it. I did not see that. So some of the moisture must have gotten out and gotten into the paint, into the last coat of clear. But hey, let's just fix it and keep on going. Alright guys, well, this will be it for this video. Next video, you know what it is. It's gonna be how to fix fisheye. So hope you stay with me guys, and that'll be it guys. Alright guys, like the video, share the video, hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And guys, I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying with your families. And guys, like always, God bless.